I'm about to show you how you can create a verified channel on Discord. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically, by having this verified channel, what it will do is that it will automatically send all the users that join your server a CAPTCHA so they can verify their identity, and this way you will prevent bots or raids on your Discord server. So all you need to do is go to your server, click the name right here at the top, and go to app directory. So once you are here, you need to search for verify at the top right, and we are gonna add this bot, better verify. So just add the app and give it the right permissions. So after you authorize it and complete this CAPTCHA, the bot will be added to your server. And to set it up, we just need to put /setup. If you have different bots, just make sure to click on the one we just installed. And for this, I'm gonna create a verified channel. So just click this plus icon right here, and let's name it verify, for example. And I'm gonna put it at the top. So after you put setup, you need to select a CAPTCHA type. So click on CAPTCHA type, and you can choose between these ones. I'm gonna put it on random, this doesn't really matter. Then the verified channel, so this will be the channel that members will verify in. So it will be this one, verify, the one I just created. Then the logs channel, so the channel that all the logs are sent to. I'm gonna put this one, for example. Then the unverified role, so this is the role that will be given to new members that are not verified yet. So I'm gonna put this one, for example, and the verified role will be the admin role. Then the last thing you can do is add a CAPTCHA message, but this is a premium feature, so that wouldn't be free. So I'm gonna hit enter, and now the bot will start creating the verification channel and configuring all the permissions, so everything works fine. Now, as you can see, we have a new message on verified channel. So when someone joins the server, they will only see this channel, and they need to click on verify. This will give them this CAPTCHA. Only you can see this, so only the members that will be doing the CAPTCHA will see the message. Then select the grape, so just do this. And now the CAPTCHA has been verified successfully, and you will get the verified role, so you can see all the other channels. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.